Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Incredible Food. Today we are here with beef and pork stew, which is Goan style. So let's boil 1.5 liter of water. Add splash of oil, some salt to taste. Add 200 grams pasta and boil it for 9 minutes. Strain the pasta and reserve the water. So here we have 500 grams of diced pork and 500 grams of diced beef. Marinate the meat with salt. Black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Mix and keep aside to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's grind some spice for the meat. 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. 12 cloves. 1 teaspoon cumin and grind it to a fine powder. Keep the spice powder aside to use at later stage. Let's heat 5 to 6 tablespoon oil in the pan and braise the meat till soft and tender. Once the meat is cooked, transfer it to a separate bowl. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick, 10 cloves, drop in 3 chopped onions and saute till nice and brown. Add a knob of butter. Once the onions are brown, add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook till they are nice and soft. Now add in the meat and the ground spice and saute for 1 minute. Add the water from strained pasta and cook for 5 minutes. Now add in the diced potato and diced carrot. Cover and cook till veggies are done. Once the veggies are almost done, add in the green peas and simmer for 2 minutes. Finally add the pasta. Simmer for further 5 minutes. Check for the seasoning. So here we have our authentic Goan stew ready to serve. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.